Okay, so today this is my new router box slash router table. So how I fix these routers in is threaded bar through the original fence slots, and then using this adaptation with the coach bolts, just lock that in position. Okay, if I was setting this up full time, I'd remove the base plate here and then locate the grub screws for the base plate and replace those slightly longer and screw the base plate in the correct position on the top. So this is quite a large router. It's a 1600 watt, I believe it is, but it's the largest Hitachi size router, and this fits quite nicely inside this little box that I've made here. So the reason I'm putting this one together, this is the prototype version. Now this one I've screwed up from underneath, but I'm not going to say it's a mistake, but it's a little bit long-winded. It's actually quite good, but I need to refine that a little bit for future use. Okay. So this size unit can take actually one of the largest size routers. Now one of the things I noticed with this one when I was building it as a prototype unit is you can use it in the upright position or the horizontal position. And I had a few people ask me, oh, it's a shame you can't use both the horizontal router and the upright router table. Well, actually I have sort of come across the answer. Okay, so this is the updated prototype version. For this one I've just fitted a small 1/4 inch router in there. It's got a fence on it, adjustable at the back, come back and forwards. Rise and fall are still actually only on the router, but for this size unit that's not important. For this one I've taken off the handles, and I've also cut down the bolts so you have a much, well, exactly a full rise and fall on there. So for this one, what we can do with this is obviously use it in the upright position, and then if you'll notice the top overhangs at the back, well, that's so this can lip onto the side of your bench, and then clamp here, and then you have a stable unit. One of the things with this in the horizontal position is obviously you have to push from this side for the nature of the cut. Not so if you're using it in the vertical position where you just the usual cut, the normal cut direction. Okay, so this is quite small. This will easily fit in the space that a router and a router box would fit. So if you had a router spare, then you could fit one dedicated to this unit, and that's quite convenient. That'll fit quite nicely in the back of your van, in the tool chest, or in the workshop, or in a small shed. Very convenient and easy to use. Okay, so thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. Have a nice day. Thank you.